Hey everyone, I just want to give you a bit of an update on what is going on with our house. I just finished some HVAC venting, venting some bathrooms, going up onto the roof. Was a great time. And now I am going to be drywalling this weekend, long weekend, and also putting up some cement board for our bathrooms. So that's pretty much all the introduction this needs. I'm going to show you guys where we're at with everything else. So make sure to just sit back, take some notes, and see what we've done. All right, so this is as you come up the stairs into the main hall. So I'm going to be showing you each of the bedrooms. So all the doors are original. So original doors, we left them hung. Original knobs, these are actually brass knobs, so we might polish those up. This is the kids' bathroom. As you walk into the kids' bathroom, there's going to be a toilet there. This is their tub. It's a 60-inch by 32-inch tub. And so I framed in this wall here so that we can fit the tub in. And the tub actually ends up center on the window. These are our new windows. We went with the double grill on top. And at the back of the house, you'll be able to see that they're actually black. So this is the vapor barrier. So the reason why the vapor barrier is not taped at the top is because we have spray foam in all of our headers, and the spray foam covers off and seals that top portion of the house. So here is that's what your faucet and stuff would look like if you saw them behind your walls. That's where the toilet's gonna be. And then here we have where our vanity is gonna be. And these are the tiles that we're going to be using on the floor, and you'll be able to see that. This weekend I cut this vent in and ran about 40 feet of venting to get to the main bulkhead. I ran this up here. All right, let's move on to one of the next bedrooms. So here is our younger girl's bedroom. Again, vapor barrier, re-insulated. There was no insulation in this house when we bought it. New windows. I framed in this closet here. This closet did not exist before. We actually ran all of our wiring up through the closet from the basement. So this is just really the chase. All of our mechanical ran up through one area. You can see the plumbing up here. In a later video, you will see I will have built a bulkhead here, all the way over here, so that we can actually drywall the ceiling in here. Here's our flooring. So we have maple flooring that we're putting in. This is some of the drywall that's going in the bathrooms, on the ceilings, and some of the walls, not around the tub, but this drywall is actually mold resistant. So it's got a coating. It's a little bit more expensive than regular drywall. Regular drywall sheets are about $14 a sheet Canadian, and these are $24 a sheet. So this is some of the 2x2 that we'll be using to make the bulkheads. This is another child's room. See again, vapor barrier done. All the electrical in this floor has been redone. Now up top, you might be wondering, what in the world is that? Well, that is called safe and sound insulation. And the safe and sound insulation, oh, here's another closet. Safe and sound insulation is because we have a master bedroom that is going upstairs, and we just want to make sure that it's quiet down here. So that's why we put that in. It's also a fire barrier as well. This stuff, I think it's 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit it takes to burn, even with direct flame against it. So everything is sealed up properly. We have fire alarms in every room. So let's continue down the hall. So we walk into the boys' room here. Each of these rooms actually have a closet, which is surprising for an old home. This is a century home. See new windows. Everything's sealed up nice and tight. And this is really cool up here, actually. We made this platform here for the boys, and we're gonna drywall that all in. And below, we're gonna probably throw like a mattress or something like that. And this will just be a great space for them to play, build their Legos. There's gonna be a ladder that comes. There's gonna be a ladder that comes down, and that's going to be just an amazing space for them. Right here, more flooring. That is for the cold air return that we're gonna be running. And this here is all of our flooring treatment, because the flooring that we bought, it's maple hardwood. We got it for $2.60 a square foot, but it is unfinished. See if I can pull out a piece here. Probably not. No. Oh, there we go. So this is what the flooring looks like. It's maple hardwood tongue and groove flooring. And yeah, that's just kind of what it looks like. So we're gonna install that, and then we'll sand that down and then treat it with that. It's called tongue oil. I'm gonna put this up here. Pure tongue oil and citrus solvent, half and half. No more mixing needed, it says. So that's great. All right, and then walk off to the 4th bedroom on this floor. Again, this room is all sealed up. Each of these rooms are fairly large. So this room is about 20 by 11, which is a decent sized room. And then a very large window up front here. These girls have a really good view of the farm fields, and in the evening there's a huge sunset out here that you can see, as this is the west. And another closet and more flooring. All right, so we're gonna walk out over here. This is the balcony. So we have a balcony out front. This is our unit that you'll see what's going on upstairs. The balcony needs to be redone. We are not redoing that at this point in time. That will be redone at some point. Hey David, this is our son David. Say hi, buddy. So we're gonna head upstairs. I'm gonna show you our master bedroom. So there's gonna be a light switch here. I don't know if I'm keeping this plaster here. It's kind of falling apart. I might patch it. I don't really want to get into doing more plaster. I thought this plaster was pretty decent. I might just fill these cracks, put in a nice V groove, and then fill the cracks. These stairs do need some work. So this is coming up into the master bedroom. So on this side is going to be like an office area. So we framed in all these knee walls. This here is actually going to be like a bench to sit on, a reading bench. And then on each of these sides, I'm gonna have bookshelves that go right to the ceiling. It's gonna be like a reading bench and then bookshelves that go up. The angle here is about 44 degrees. So that is gonna be that's gonna be really interesting. And we have to cut all the drywall for that. Originally our AC unit, our AC and heat exchange unit was supposed to go up there, but we ended up getting a bigger unit, so because the smaller unit was not available. Oh, and then I'll bring you guys back here. So this is the master bedroom. We got some work area going on here. And then up top we have 2 skylights. And then here is our new heat exchange unit. So it does cool air and hot. And then so over here, we have a small storage closet that we're gonna be using. We're just gonna put in a small door here, and that will be basically all storage. And then coming into here is going to be our master ensuite bath. So here there's going to be a shower, as you can see. And so it's gonna have two walls that are tiled. So this wall here is gonna have tile on it, and then this wall here is gonna have tile on it. And then on this side here, and that edge there is gonna be glass. So that'll bring all the light in from the sun tunnel. So you'll get lots of light in here. And the ceiling, it's a ton of fun working up in these ceilings and these attics. So many angles. And down here, we're gonna have our vanity, and then our toilet is gonna be there. And then moving over here, we're gonna have a soaker tub, and then those are the taps. And there'll be like a freestanding tap that will come up over the soaker tub. Then you can see our venting. So there is the bathroom vent, and it runs. These are the things that you don't normally get to see, right? So that's the venting from the bathroom downstairs. It runs all the way down here to the edge of the roof there, where it goes outside. You don't vent into space, you always vent it outside. Here's one of our skylights. This one actually has a blind that will close. Also because our bed is going to be in this area. So you see a plug there for an end table, plug over there for an end table. Come on, David. Come on, buddy. Let's go. So that, I think, is about it. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you really enjoyed this tour. A lot of this stuff we're doing ourselves. The two things that I'm not doing myself, well, three, I suppose. The three things that I didn't do myself was my electrical. I was gonna do that myself, but I just didn't have the brain space to do that. So I'm not doing that myself. And then the plumbing, again, just didn't have the brain space. It's such a huge project to do. I didn't do that myself. There's actually four things, because this insulation, all this spray foam insulation, I didn't spray that in, obviously. I guess it's not that obvious, but I didn't spray that in. We got a company in to do that, and the roof. This is a completely massive renovation, and we are hoping to have this done in the next couple of months. So keep watching my channel. I'll give kind of updates like this once in a while. I think this is really helpful for you guys to see just how you make your money go to work in different renovation applications and that kind of thing, and how you can really work on some of these things. I'll throw up the odd video once in a while. Mostly my content is on personal finance and investing and cryptocurrency. But once in a while, I'll throw up a video like this just for those that might be interested in what it looks like to renovate, and also give you guys an understanding that, you know what, I'm not just making YouTube videos, I'm actually working full time. I am renovating my house myself. There's a lot going on in our lives. So yeah, so hopefully that is just helpful for you guys. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you